Okay, first we need to do the multiplies. There's a multiply here, and there's a divide here. Multiplies and divides are done before you do adds and subtracts. So what we end up with is 5 times 4 is 20. So it's 20 plus 2, and 8, negative 8 divided by 4 is negative 2. 4 goes into 8 twice, so 4 goes into negative 8, negative 2 times. Then the minus 6. And 2 minus 2 cancels out. That adds up to 0. So it's just 20 minus 6, which is 14. The first number 24, that expression simplifies to 14. Now in here, before we can multiply 8 times anything, we have to simplify in the parentheses here. So first step, we'll simplify what's in the parentheses here. 20 minus 15 is 5. So this is equal to 8 times 5 divided by 4 times 5 times 2. And notice that the 5's cancel out. There's a common factor of 5. And in fact, 8 divided by 8 is 1. So this simplifies to 1. 8 divided by 8. For number 32 here, there's divides and multiplies, so we simply go from left to right, evaluating as we go. 45 divided by 3 is the first part, and that's 15. So we have 15 divided by 3 times 9. Next we evaluate the 15 divided by 3, going from left to right. 15 divided by 3 is 5, so this is equal to 5 times 9, which is 45. So that one simplifies to 45. Okay, now number 36. 52 divided by 26 is 2. Because 2 times 26 is 52. So negative 26 divides into negative 52 twice. So that all equals 2 divided by 2 times negative 13. And 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So that just equals 1. So 1 times negative 13 equals negative 13. That simplifies to negative 13. For problem 40, we first have to do this multiply before we can do this add, and that forces us to see what's in the parentheses here. Now 3 minus 7 in parentheses is negative 4, and negative 4 plus 4 is 0. This all adds up to 0. You don't even need the parentheses because of the associative law. 4 plus 3 is 7, minus 7 is 0. So that all becomes 0. So we have 2 plus 5 times 0. And so that's 2 plus 0. So this all simplifies to 2. Now for number 42. Taking a bird's eye view of the expression, there's a multiply here, there's an add here, a multiply here, and a plus here. But before we can multiply times 3, we have to see what it is we're multiplying times 3. What is in here? There's a minus. So now just look inside of the brackets. So forget about everything outside. Only look what's in here. And there's a times here and a minus here. We're supposed to do the multiply first. So we're forced to look inside of the parentheses. This is what we have to do first. 17 minus 4. So we get 54 plus 3 times 18 minus 2 times 17 minus 4 is 13. So now we have to next multiply this negative 2 times 13 in here because we have to do this multiply before we do this subtract. So what we end up getting is negative 26, because 2 times 13 is 26, so negative 2 times 13 is positive 26. And 18 minus 26 is 8. So we have 8. 18 minus 26 is negative 8 in the brackets here. And now we have 3 times negative 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. So this all becomes negative 24. 54 minus 24 plus 9. 54 minus 24 is equal to 30. 30 plus 9 is 39. So that's how this one simplifies, all the way to 39.